Hello everybody, a very good afternoon to one and all. My name is Ankit Sharma and I welcome all of you in this extremely important session at the one and only Examper. My dear students, Examper is not only a channel, it's like a dream come true for many people. It's a ray of hope where the fees is touching the sky for many of the platforms in many of the courses. This is where you get things at an affordable price and quality also is maintained. That's also important. My dear students, as you all know that the Supreme Court JCA notification is out. So now to enable you to prepare for the same, to help you to study for the same, let us discuss the questions. See, if you want to study the entire theory part, for that the panacea is that please come and enroll in our paid batches. Because in YouTube sessions, due to the paucity of time, due to shortage of time, due to shortage of time, we are not able to complete the syllabus. Okay, but in paid batches, we have enough time, everything for you, only for you, it's exclusively for all of you. All right, so keeping the same in mind, let us begin, my dear students, and here we start. So direction and distance, part 1. So in this direction and distance part 1, obviously we will be solving the questions, and the level of questions would be of a easy to moderate level. Okay, so I should repeat that the level of questions would be of a easy to moderate level. Okay, but in the very next class, which is tomorrow, the level of questions in part 2 will be of a moderate to difficult level. Getting it, everyone? Yes or no? Next, have a look at this. The thought of the day. The thought of the day is how you invest your time is more important than how you invest your money. I repeat, how you invest your time is more important than how you invest your money, because over the time you can earn more money, isn't it? Over the time you can earn more money, but with that earned money, with that hard earned money, I accept, will you be able to purchase more time for yourself? No, not possible. It's out of the box. Okay, so that is why I say time is the most powerful thing in the world, because it changes, and when it changes, nothing remains the same. Okay, so now let us begin with the very first question. The very first question, time starts now. Quickly everyone, hurry up. Quickly everyone. So now have a look at this. Now please kindly pay attention. Okay, so now the question is telling Shweta starts walking towards the west. So now suppose this is the starting point. This is the starting point. Okay, so Shweta starts walking towards the west, and after walking for 70 meters, Shweta starts walking towards the west, and after walking for 70 meters, he turns to left. Basically it should be she over here. Already she is written over here, so it should be she over here. She turns left and walks 35. She turns left and walks 35. She turns left again and walks 30. She turns left again and walks 30. Okay, again she turns to her left and walks 35. Again she turns to her left and walks 35. So now if this is 30, even this would be 30. So this remaining part would be 40, which gives you a total of 70 still over here. So now my dear students, how far is she from the starting point? So from the starting point, if you see the distance, this is 40 meter. So option number D is the right answer. All right, so these are very simple but yet interesting questions. The weightage is up to 2 questions in your examination. Okay, at the very beginning I should have written that also, that the weightage of this particular topic in the examination is up to 2 questions. Okay, it's up to 2 questions. Clear? Fine. Now moving ahead, my dear students, the next question, okay, hurry up quickly everyone. Okay, now see, now Ajay started driving from his office towards the hotel. Okay, now suppose this is the starting point. This is the starting point. Okay, now Ajay started driving from his office to the hotel. So this is the office, and from the office Ajay is moving towards the hotel. He drove 10 kilometers north. He drove 10 kilometers north. Okay, fine. He drove 10 kilometers towards the north. From there he turned right and drove 8. From there he turned right and drove 8. Okay, then he turned right and drove 6. Then he turned right and drove 6. Now this is 6, even this is 6, and the remaining part is 4. All right, next. Again he turned right and drove 5. Again he turned right and drove 5. Now this is 5, even this is 5, and the remaining part is 3. And finally, my dear students, it is asking you, what is the shortest distance from his office to hotel? Shortest distance from office to hotel. Okay, if this is 3, then this will be 3. So now my dear students, if you want to calculate this, it is equals to under root of 3 square, okay, plus 4 square. Okay, so it's 9 plus 16, it's root 225, which is 5. So answer is option number B, that is 5. All right, very good, Prajwal, very good. See, those who are live should like the session at least. Those who are live, I request them to like the session. All right, everyone. Quickly, everyone. Rishi drives 6 kilometers west from his home. Now suppose this is the home. Okay, this is the home. Rishi drives 6 kilometers west from his home. Okay, and turns left and drives 3. Turns left and drives 3. And then turns left again and drives 10. And again turns left again and drives 10. Okay. Now how 10? If this is 6, even this is 6, the remaining part is 4. Now, what is the shortest distance between Rishi's home and office? The shortest distance between Rishi's home and office, this distance. If this is 3, so even this is 3. Okay, so now if this is 3 square, now Pythagoras theorem, 4 square. So what will be this? What will be this? This will be 5 only. And the right answer is option number D, that is 5. Alright, so it's very simple. Now verbally also you can do at least these kind of simple question. You know 3, 4 and 5 are Pythagorean triplets. Next, hurry up everyone. per question 1 minute you are getting, which is sufficient for these level of questions. Come on quickly. Okay, now listen to me very quickly. Abhishek started running from his house. Okay, so suppose this is the starting point. Okay, starting point. Abhishek started running from his house. He first ran for 12 kilometers towards west. So he first ran for 12 kilometers towards the west. Then he turns towards the north and ran 16. Then he turns towards the north and ran 16 in that direction. How far is Abhishek from the starting point and in which direction? So from the starting point Abhishek is in northwest. From the starting point Abhishek is in northwest. And now if I talk about this distance, it is under root of 16 square plus 12 square. 16 square plus 12 square. 16 square is 256 plus 12 square is 144. It is root 400, in other words, which is 20. In other words, it is 20. 20 northwest. Option D, 20 northwest. Next, solve this one. Solve this one. Quickly, everyone. Hurry up. Okay, now see. A truck driver started from point A. Okay, now suppose this is the starting point. Suppose this is the starting point and the name of the point is point A. A truck driver started from a point A and drove 25 kilometers towards east. Point A drove 25 kilometers towards east. He turned left and drove 30. He turned left and drove 30. Okay. Next. Then turned left and drove 15. Okay. Fine. He again turned left and drove 30. Now if this is 15, then even this distance is 15. So the remaining is 10. So that 15 plus 10 is 25. Okay, and then finally, he again turned left and drove 30. He again turned left and drove 30. Okay, and reached a point B. So now it is telling you how far and in which direction is B from A. How far and in which direction is B from A. So from A, it is 10 meter towards east. From A, it is 10 meter towards east. Option number D, 10 meter east is the right answer. All right, fine. Now moving ahead. Moving ahead. Quickly, everyone. Hurry up. 1 minute is sufficient. Quickly, everyone. Hurry up. Okay, now see, my dear students. Satyam starts walking towards north. Okay, so suppose this is the starting point, and Satyam starts walking from this point towards north, and after walking for 70 meter. Okay, after walking for 70 meter. Okay, Satyam started walking from his home towards the north. After walking 70 meter, he turns to left and drives 30. He turns to left and drives 35. He then turns to left and walks 30. He then turns to left and walks 30. So if this is 30, even this is 30, and then the remaining part is 40. Okay, fine everyone. Getting it? I should repeat that Satyam starts walking from home towards the north. After walking 70 meters, he turns to left and walks 35 straight. He again turns left and walks 30. Again he turns to the left and walks a distance of 35. Okay, 35. How far is he from the starting point and in what direction? From the starting point it is 40 meter north. Starting point it is 40 meter north, and that why option is C. Alright, very good. Very good, Prajwal. Very good. Keep it up. Now moving ahead. Moving ahead. Solve this one. Hurry up. Quickly. Quickly everyone. Hurry up. Okay, now see my dear students, what is happening? It is telling you that Kartikeya started walking from the mall, and okay, so suppose this is the mall. Suppose this is the mall. Kartikeya started walking from the mall. First he walks 8 kilometers in the north. First he walks 8 kilometers in the north. Then he turned right and walked 3. Then he turned right and walked 3. After that he turned right and walked 5. After that he turned right and walked 5. Now if this is 5, even this is 5, the remaining part will be 3. Now moving ahead. Moving ahead. Kartik started walking from the mall. Firstly he walked 8 in the north, turned right and walked 3. After that he turned right and walked 5. Then he turned right and walked 7. He turned right and walked 7. Now what is 7 over here? This distance. If this is 3, when this is 3 and this is 4. And now what is the minimum distance between Kartikeya's initial position and final position? See the minimum distance, this distance. Pythagoras theorem 5. Pythagoras theorem 5. Option number C is the right answer. Alright, very good. Very good. Now the next one. Time starts. Very good, Prashant. Very good, Prashant. Keep it up. The next one. Okay, hurry up. Quickly everyone, hurry up. Quickly everyone. Okay, now the time is up. So Aviral started walking in the east direction. Okay, so suppose this is the starting point, and Aviral started walking in the east direction, and after walking 50 meters, after walking 50 meter, he turned left and walks 15. He turns left and walks 15. From there he turned left and walks 30. From there he turned left and walks 30. So if that is 30, even this is 30 and the remaining part is 20, so that the total is 50. All right, everyone. So Aviral started walking in the east direction. After walking 50, he turned left and walked 15. From there he turned left and walks 30. Again he turned left and walks 15. Again he turns left and walks 15. So how far is he from the starting point? From the starting point, how far is he? 20. 20. And that's the right answer, option number C, 20. All right, Prashant. All right, Prajwal. Next. So next question. Okay. And time starts. Here we go. Okay, now see, I'm glad to see others also answering. Very good, Prajwal. Very good, Prashant. Very good, everyone. Very good. So Devinder walks in the park. Suppose this is the starting point. Devinder walks in the park. He first walked 20 meter east. He first walked 20 meter east. Then turned left and walked 70. Turned left and walked 70. Okay. So my dear students, it is said that Devinder walks in the park. He walked 20 meter towards east, turned to his left and walked 70, and turned right and walked 50. Turned right and walked 50. Okay. Now he took a left turn and walked 60. Now he took a left turn and walked 60. Finally, he took a right turn and goes 40. And now, in which direction is he with respect to the starting point? If the question would have been in which direction he is going, then the answer would be east. If the question would have been in what direction he is going, then the answer would have been east. But now the question is in what direction is he going from the starting point? So it's northeast. It's northeast. And that's the right answer. Option number D, northeast. All right, everyone. Clear? Fine. Next. Hurry up. Hurry up, everyone. Okay, now the time is up. Now the time is up. Very good, Prashant, Prajwal. Very good. Now see what is happening. If southwest becomes east, so this is southwest. This southwest becomes 1, 2, and 3. It becomes east. So it goes 45, 45, 45, 135 degree in the anti-clockwise direction. Okay, northeast becomes west. So northeast becomes 1, 2, and 3. 135 anti-clockwise direction. So what will northwest become? Northwest will become 1, 2, and 3 south. It will become south. Answer is option number D, that is south. All right, everyone. Fine. Next. Time starts. Hurry up. Hurry up. Quickly, everyone. Hurry up. Okay, so I hope that you all are able to do this. So I'm already getting the answer as 20 from Prajwal. And what about you, Prashant? Please tell me. So Anuj starts walking in the east direction. This is the starting point. Anuj starts walking in the east direction. Okay. And now, after walking 50 meters, he turns left and walks 15. He turns left and walks 15. Okay. Then he turns left and walks 30. Then he turns left and walks 30. So if this is 30, even this is 30. If this is 30, okay, even this is 30, so the remaining part is 20. So Anuj starts walking in the east direction. After walking for 50 meters, he turns to left and walks 15. Then he turns left and walks 30. Finally, he turns left and walks 15. Finally, he turns left and walks 15. How far is he from the starting point? How far is he from the starting point? This distance. This distance is 20. 20, na? Option number C. All right, next. Now the next question. Okay, again 1 minute. Time starts. Quickly. Okay, now see, my dear students. See, Ramesh starts walking from his house and then takes 2 left turns. But now in which direction he starts from his house is not given. In which direction he starts from his house is not given initially. Later on it has mentioned. Later on it has mentioned. Okay, so do not worry. Move in any direction initially, but do not name it. Move in any direction initially, but do not name it. So Ramesh starts walking from his house. Ramesh starts walking from his house. So Ramesh starts walking. Okay, it is going in this way. Okay, and then takes 2 left turns. One left turn, another left turn. Okay, and one right turn. Okay, so from here one left turn, another left turn, and then one right turn to reach the market. And now he is facing north. Now if he is facing north, opposite of that is south. Opposite of that is south. Okay, so now you all are well aware, north, south, west and east. You all are well aware. Okay, so now north comes over here. If north comes over here, now west will be coming over here, south will be coming over here, and now east will be coming over here. Okay, west and east. Okay, so now my dear students, the simple question over here is, in which direction was Ramesh when he started from his house? In which direction was Ramesh facing? In which direction was the Ramesh facing when he started from the house? So when he started from the house, he was towards the east. He was towards the east. Now see, do not worry, my dear students. If you would have taken Ramesh to be moving in this way, that Ramesh starts walking from his house. Ramesh starts walking from his house and then takes 2 left turn. Okay, 2 left turns. So my dear students, one left turn, okay, another left turn, and now one right turn to reach the market. And now this is north, opposite of north would be south. Now see, generally my dear students, you all are well aware. Generally my dear students, you all are well aware that this is north, this is south, this is west and this is east. But now north has come over here. So east will be coming over here. Okay. And now my dear students, west will be coming over here. And now again tell me, when this person started moving, it started moving towards the which direction? East direction. This is east. Okay, east. And that is the right one. So it is immaterial in such questions that where you start taking initially. At the end the result will be same, because these directions will mutually rotate. Okay, these directions will mutually rotate. Alright. Next, solve this one. Hurry up. Hurry up everyone. Quickly, everyone. Okay, now see, from a point D, from a point D, this is point D. Sarita walked 50 meters to the north. Sarita walks 50 meters to the north. Then after that, turning to right, walks 50. After that, turning to right, walks 50. She again turned right and walked another 70. She then turned right and walked another 70, which means 50 plus 20. I should repeat. From a point D, Sarika walked 50 meters to the north, turned right and walks 50. She again turns right and walks 70 meters, and finally turned right and walks 50. Finally turns right and walks 50. Okay, in which direction and at what distance? In which direction and at what distance she is from the starting point? In what direction and at what distance she is from the starting point D? If this is 20, even this is 20, 20 meters south, 20 meters south. The answer is option number C, 20 meter to the south. All right, everyone, 20 meters to the south. Fine. Next. My dear students, before we move ahead, have a look at the schedule. Those students who wanted to prepare in complete English, in total English, we brought this channel exclusively for all of you. So I request all of you again and again that please share this session, please like this session, please ask more and more students to join. At least those who are live, they all should like this session. Okay, because total English medium classes. So in the morning slot, we are preparing you all for the SSC, primarily CPO exam as of now, from morning 8 till 1 noon. This class will go until 1 p.m. And straight after that, for the Supreme Court JCA, Junior Court Assistant, which is one of the best jobs which I have seen in recent days. I'm talking about notification. We are starting classes back to back in this manner. All right, everyone. Fine, everybody. Next. Now let's have a look at this. Please solve this one. Quickly, everyone. Quickly. Okay, now see. See, my dear students, we just started from point R and walked straight 7 meter. Okay, so this is the starting point. We just started from point R. We just started from point R and walked straight 7 meter west. Walked straight 7 meter west. Then turned left and walks 2. Then turns left and walks 2. Okay, and walked. See, we just started from point R and walked straight 7 meter west. Then turned left and walked 2. And again turned left and walked 4. Again turned left and walked 4. All right. In which direction is he from R? So from R, this is southwest. From R, this is southwest. And that's the right answer, option number B. So very good, Prajwal, very good, Prashant. Keep it up, my dear students. A better one, a good one. I would be giving you 2 minutes to draw the diagram. Your time starts now. Hurry up. Quickly, a better one, the best of all of today. Quickly, everyone. Next 1 minute. Quickly. The time is up, but still I want all of you to solve, and therefore I am giving you one extra minute, the fourth minute and the final minute. Quickly. Okay, now listen to me. Now listen to me very carefully, my dear students. Okay, so Rima goes to a store to buy colors. Okay, so Rima goes to a store to buy colors. She enters the store and turns to her right. So she enters the store. She enters the store and turns to her right. Walks 7 meter. Walks 7 meter. Okay, and takes the orange color. Takes the orange color. Then she turns to her left, walks 3 meter. Then she turns to her left and walks 3 meter and takes the pink color. Takes the pink color. Next, again she turns to her left, which is towards the west. Again she turns to her left, which is towards the west. Walks 7 meter. Walks 7 meter and takes the purple color. And takes the purple color. Okay. Again she turns to her right and looks at the green color. Again she turns to her right and looks at the green color, which is 8 meters away from her. She takes the green color, okay, and moves to her right. She takes the green color and moves to her right, walks 7 meter and stops at the counter for billing. And stops at the counter for billing. Alright, so this is the diagram. Now, but apply your mind. All of you are well aware about the convention of directions. This is the normal convention, okay. Fine, this is the normal convention. Now, if west is over here, obviously east will be over here. And now south will be over here. and now north will be over here. North will be over here. All right, everyone, getting it? But now please understand, here it was good enough that we started that Rima enters the store in this way, then turns right and so on. What if we would have taken that Rima enters the store in this way, then turns right and so on? Then this entire diagram will rotate 90-degree clockwise, and so the directions will also rotate accordingly. The end result will be same. What if you would have taken her that Rima enters the store in this way? Okay, Rima enters the store, she turns right, enters the store, turns right, enters the store, turns right, and so on. And now in this case also, in this way also, the diagram will rotate 90-degree anti-clockwise, and so the directions will also rotate mutually accordingly. All right. And also let me tell you, if we would have taken that she enters the store in this way, and then turns right, and then turns right, and then goes and so on, then the diagram will rotate upside down. And now when the diagram will rotate upside down, what will happen? North will be here, south will be here, east and west will also interchange. Everything will become just the opposite. All right, but the end result will be same. Now, how far is purple color from the starting point? How far is purple color from the starting point? This is 3 meter. If this is 3 meter, even this is 3 meter, and that's the right answer. Option number D, that is 3 meter. That's the right answer. Option number D, that is 3 meter. What is the shortest distance between pink color and billing counter? Shortest distance between pink color and billing counter. If this is 8, then even this is 8. Shortest distance between pink color and billing counter is 8. All right, getting it? Option B is the right one. In which direction does Rima move for billing? So Rima is moving in which direction? Rima is moving in the east direction for billing. In the east direction for billing, and that's the right one. But if it would have asked Rima is in which direction from the starting point, if it would have asked Rima is in which direction from the starting point, then the answer would have been from the starting point she is in northeast. But in which direction she is moving? So moving is in the east direction. Here is east. This is east. Okay. This is east. Whether it is this or this or this or this or this or this, this is east. All right, everyone. Fine. Now the next one. Time starts. Quickly. Time starts. Solve this one. I think this one you can easily do it. Come on, Prajwal, Prashant, quickly, guys, hurry up. Okay, now see what it is telling you. It is telling you that Shashi started walking towards the south. Now, suppose this is the starting point. This is the starting point. Okay, Shashi started walking towards the south after walking 50 meters. After walking 50 meters, he took a right turn and walked 30. He took a right turn and walked 30. Okay, he then again took a right turn and walked 100. He again took a right turn and then walked 100. Now if this is 50, even this is 50 and the remaining part is also 50. Okay, he again took a right turn and walked 30. He again turned a right and walked 30 and stopped. How far and in which direction is he from the starting point? How far and in which direction she is from the starting point? If this is 50, even this is 50. So 50 meter towards north, 50 meter towards north. That's the right answer. Option number D, that is 50 meter, and that too towards north. All right, everyone. Next, solve this one. Solve this one. Hurry up. Quickly, everyone. Quickly, see, Mega drives 10 kilometer towards the south. This is the starting point and Mega drives 10 kilometer towards the south. After that, takes a right turn and drives 6. Takes a right turn and drives 6. She then takes another right and drives 10. Another right and drives 10. And then stops. How far is she from the starting point? How far is she from the starting point? From the starting point, she is, if this is 6, even this 6. So from the starting point, she is 6 meter towards the west. Or 6 kilometer, basically 6 kilometer. Option B, 6 kilometer it is. Alright. Okay, now my dear students, basically this will be your homework. This will be your home exercise, your homework. So please quickly solve this. Please quickly solve this and answer this at the comment box once the class is over. So once the class is over, please solve this and answer it under the comment box. I would be more than happy. I would be much happy to help you out. Alright everyone? Fine everybody? Getting it? Yes or no? And with this, my dear students, have a look at the schedule again. This is the crystal clear schedule, proper English, not even a word will be in Hindi. Please do join us at morning 8 a.m. sharp in these classes from 8 English, 9 reasoning, 10 science, 11 GA and then 12 noon maths. And this class will go until 1 p.m. After that, here we are preparing you for SSC, primarily CPO examination. And once it is over at 1 p.m., come here and attend the class on Supreme Court Junior Court Assistant, JCA. From 1 p.m. English, 2 p.m. science, 3 p.m. reasoning, 4 p.m. maths and 5 to 6 p.m. GA. Alright everybody, fine. With these words, we come to an end of the session. I hope you have really enjoyed this session. Thank you so much guys. Let us meet tomorrow in the next class with a new topic, with a new set of questions. Till then, bye-bye. Take care. Have a great day guys. Thank you. Thank you so much.